Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to remove the Insta360 GO Ultra. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just opened up the Insta360 GO Ultra and you're wondering how to go ahead and remove the camera. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you want to go ahead and find the unlock button. So the unlock button is located on the left-hand side, right over here. So we're going to press and hold this down. And once you press and hold it down, you're going to be able to pull the standalone camera off. So similarly, if you press this unlock button, you can see that it removes this latch that you see here on the right-hand side of the screen. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to remove the Insta360 GO Ultra. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.